Assalamu alaikum. This is another great day. We are starting another application, the CLASP 009 web application with form to upload files. So this form is not the Google form. It's a form built on web application using JavaScript and HTML, and we are going to upload files directly into Google Drive from our web application. This has another advantage that the form information you can also log in Google Sheets like this, and then you can add, append information row by row. But that's another video. Let's just go to the web. The part, this part still doing, will be done soon. So this I have already published web application. So let's just go directly to browser interface. Okay, so this is the form I have built, and it has some interesting fact that within the form it has a calculation like so this is the normal form field like name and email address and date, starting date, ending date, and then it has calculation like days left, start and end. So this is for assignment submission, like university students. Those students don't have time, they want to do their assessment by third party, so they submit. So this is that client web form. They receive the form from the students, and students fill up this information like when they want this assessment to be started and due date, when they want that submission to be submitted within the university or college, and then how many days left for the assessment to do complete. And then cost calculation for something like a number of words in the assessment. If I put 2000 words, so you see the automatic calculation is being done inside this web application. And if actually it can be calculated by either marks. Assessment sometimes don't have number of words because assessment type is different, like few short questions or some equation based or some other engineering category that do not need much of the words. So in that case actually we calculate by number of total marks in the assessment. So we give option like calculate by marks. So you see the price difference because it can be different number of words, but whichever is more is actually applicable to this. So if some assessment has a number of words mentioned also, but of course the assessment will have some numbers like 80 full marks is 80 or 100. So you give 80 here and then calculate, right? So you get marks. So if it is by words it's 300 and marks 280, the cost will be actually this one. That's another word. But let's go to this part, upload files. So the upload file zip preferred, of course, because the space will be less, and all the files mentioned here plus additionally other files also will be able to upload. So I didn't give actually much option here to select what kind of file. It's not actually handled within this program. Code is handling all these things, what kind of file. And now upload file, you can choose multiple files at one go from your computer. So if you browse, for example, I have files in download folder. I select Kolkata COVID guide, for example, and sustainability. So these two files I have selected. If I want to select others, I also can. Let's say I select a image. So 3 files I have selected, upload, and now 3 files. Okay, now if I submit, actually now it should be uploaded in the Google Drive folder. Google Drive. Let's so now this status tells us that submission is complete. Okay, if we go to test folder, and you see actually I tested few times, so you see duplicate names. So this is today 651, and we have uploaded 3 files, right? So this is another 651. So that's how our web form is working. And additionally, if you like to have this form modified, customized based on your needs, or you want to add something, of course, then comment below and contact me. If you want also to record this information in your Google sheet or somewhere else, just let me know. Thank you.